Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. In the previous video, we learned how to create user in Microsoft Entra ID, how to manage user in Microsoft Entra ID, and how to create groups in Microsoft Entra ID. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to reset a user password in Microsoft Entra ID. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should open your browser and log in into Microsoft Entra ID, entra.microsoft.com. Okay. So you can log in into Microsoft Entra ID Admin Center. Then after that, on the left side, we have option which is user. Okay. Under a user, you click all user. At the moment, I have only two users. This one and this one. So I want to receive the password of this user. If you have many users, you can search from here, but I can now choose this one. It's okay. Click on that. Okay. Click on the user, and on the top we have different option. We can delete user, we can refresh, and here we have reset password. So if you want to reset the password of this user, let's click reset. Okay. And yeah, you will receive the new password, a temporary password to this user. Reset password. As you can see, this is the temporary password. You can share with the user that this is the temporary. Okay. That's how you can reset password in Microsoft Entra ID Admin Center. That's it, guys. I hope you like it. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video.